What's up guys? For today's video I got a little bit of a different one. As you could tell, I did change the name of the channel. It's no longer my real name, I guess you could say. And I know there are some people that came to this video probably just for the Supreme unboxing, so I will put a timestamp on the screen if you want to skip the entire update and you just want to get right to the Supreme unboxing. I will leave that mark on screen so you can watch that. But if you are here and you want to hear the update, let's just get right into this. I did change it to Chandler Sutton because it's a little bit of a different project I guess I'm working on. A little backstory: about everyone with a clothing company kind of does this, but eventually I plan on releasing my own clothes later on. And you guys know that with the brand The Hundreds, he goes by Bobby Hundreds. I actually have no idea if that's his real name or not, but either way he goes by Bobby Hundreds and then his brand is The Hundreds. I figured as I'm trying to push my brand Sutton, I would start going by Chandler Sutton, and that is why I changed my channel name to Chandler Sutton. And you can actually follow me on Instagram. I did just change my Instagram handle and I don't know if I'm going to change it again, so I'm not going to display it on screen, but I will leave a link in the description if you want to follow me on that. And I did just start all over on Instagram because I kind of feel like my old account is a dead account. It would just be crazy because I'd get like 800 to 1,000 views on a story, but then when I would post something I'd only get about like 100 likes. With the whole way that the Instagram algorithm works, I was putting a ton of work into content that was going very unseen, and that kind of affected me to want to make more content because it's like, why would I put all the work into this when no one's even seeing it? Because let's say if I had 10,000 followers, only 100 people are seeing it when I post it, but 1,000 people are seeing it when I put on my story. That's kind of annoying, and it just wasn't getting the reach that I wanted to. So I figured I'd start all over. I'd rather get 10 to 15 likes on a post rather than my usual 300 to 400 that I would sometimes get on my other posts. I'd rather get 15 likes with a new account so I can start building it from the ground up. So if you do want to help me out, please give me a follow, and the link is in the description so you can follow me on there. But basically what this video is kind of like an information video, I guess you could call it an update video. But I am going to unbox some Supreme items at the end of this. These aren't crazy items, so I figured it'd be kind of boring if you just watched a whole update video of mine. I wanted to spice it up a little bit by making it an unboxing slash update video. So again, with this update video, I want to talk about my Instagram and my YouTube. Now YouTube is something I've always wanted to do. I literally probably started uploading videos on YouTube when I was 12 or 13, maybe 14. Basically when YouTube started, I was on that. As soon as it started taking off, I was on that. I remember when Smosh was coming up, all that good stuff. I always wanted to be on YouTube. I dabbled in with the comedy videos, the skateboard stuff, everything you could think of. I probably made a video about it back in the day. But then it wasn't until I think 2017 I started 2015 I really started getting into clothes, and hype items and all that good stuff. It wasn't until 2017 that I initially launched this channel, and it was a light went off in my head where it was I really want to do this for real. I want to try to push my YouTube channel with my clothes. I was uploading really consistently. Even when I moved to Florida, I was uploading so much all the time. I was always doing unboxings and I loved it. There was not a single thing I didn't like about it. Well, I mean, I didn't like spending all that money, but I did like making all that content for you guys. I wasn't even getting a lot of views, and I still don't even get a lot of views, but I still loved making it. I know that kind of contradicts what I said about Instagram, but YouTube's different. I just love making that content, but then my life kind of spiraled downhill for a little bit. I was going through a ton of stuff, just personal things were going on, and then it kind of segued me away from YouTube, and I went a very long time without uploading. Every time I tell you guys I'm gonna upload, I upload once, a few weeks go by, I upload again. I think now it's been 2 months I haven't uploaded, but honestly on my laptop, I just checked, I actually have 36 videos that I have finished, I just never uploaded. So now that I changed the name of the channel, I really want to for real this time start pushing the channel by actually uploading a lot more frequently. So I even have some videos in the vault. Those aren't really the best of my ability. I really want to try to showcase my editing and my cinematography skills into making these videos, because I'm not gonna lie, I don't really put a lot of time in them, but that's gonna change because I really want to start putting actual time into these videos and actually editing them. So because I really want these videos to go seen. I do want to build the channel. I do want to show you guys about my life, and with clothes I want to educate you guys as much as I possibly can. So that's kind of why I decided to just start all over. I'm not gonna just make a new account, but I'm gonna start fresh, and I guess you could call this season 2 of the channel. I don't know when I plan on uploading this video, but once the new year starts and it's the new decade, it's 2020, I really want to start uploading a lot more. And I'm talking about with my website, with Instagram, with YouTube, with all of that. I want to do all that stuff. I just want to keep uploading, keep creating content, and just build this channel as much as I can. I even eventually want to make a little Facebook group that we can all get together, talk about releases, sell stuff to each other, all that good stuff. That's something I do want to do later on, so let me know in the comments down below if you'd be interested in that. But yeah, I just have so many ideas and so many things that I want to do, and I do apologize for how much I talk with my hands. I just realized I'm doing it a lot. I'm sorry about that, but I'm still just going to keep doing it. But there's just so many things I want to do and so many things I want to grow. It's just not enough time, and I feel like with this new energy coming out of the new year, it's going to really push me into wanting to make more content and really wanting to get my stuff out there. I say it in every single video, but please subscribe because I am going to be bringing you a lot more content. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single video. I plan on really bringing these videos to a whole nother level, and you might not see it at first, but it's gonna get there. And I do, like I said earlier, I do have a lot of videos in the vault. I probably will still upload some of those, kind of like a little archive post, and like I don't have an intro yet, but I want to get like a new intro rolling, and then like I'll let people know that these are like shot a while ago, and you can even tell, like, depending on what I'm wearing or like how I explain something, that these were kind of shot like a while back. So I even will make notes so people know that they were shot a little while ago, and I am pulling them from the archive. There's even some videos I got in there that are still from Florida that I have to upload. I just never got around to it. I don't know if those videos will ever see the light of day, but I just have so much content. I figured that will kind of help me like start uploading the older stuff so I can start creating the newer stuff and then kind of like feed it in together, so I will have more content for you guys. So if any of this sounds interesting to you guys, please make sure you follow me on Instagram down below, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and make sure you like this video so I know you want to see content like this. Usually any update video I give never really gets any views, so I don't plan on this one getting a lot of views, but if you are watching this, thank you very much. Now that all that stuff is out of the way, we can get right into the unboxing. I think I covered everything that I want to cover. Anytime I got any more updates, so I will throw them into all those videos. So like I said, you do not want to miss a video, so make sure you subscribe. But that's enough talking. That's enough begging you guys to subscribe to the channel. Let's just get into this unboxing. So this is I don't even know what weeks these are. I'm not even going to guess what weeks these are, so I'm not even going to try any of that stuff. These are 2 packages from 2 different weeks. I think this is the one. I really hope I open these correctly, because if I don't, that's going to suck. Let me see. No, this has got to be. Okay, I think this is the one. Is it the one? Okay, so I think this is the one I want to open first, because this is probably the slowest. Where's my knife? This is probably the slowest Supreme shipping I have ever seen. So whenever I ordered this, right, I think 3 weeks had went by and I had just now got it. I actually got this first and another package that I already opened, which was an L of a week. It was an L of a week. You guys don't even want to see what I bought that week. But anyways, I got 2 other weeks of Supreme stuff before this even got here. So this is probably the slowest shipping, pretty close to a month on this. If you guys did get this item, let me know down below if it took this long to get to you guys. I have no idea where my knife is, so I'm just gonna use these scissors that I just found so we can open this up. And yeah, like I said, I hope this is the right box that I'm talking about, or isn't gonna make any sense. Okay, yeah, this is, oh yeah, this is the right box. Okay, good. So we got the paper, no stickers. Oh, we got 1 Supreme box logo sticker. And here it is. It's the book. No. Yeah, just 1 sticker, no big deal. Well, I guess is this a sticker? This might be a sticker. But yeah, like I was saying, this literally took like 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks to get here. I honestly kind of thought they were gonna cancel my order. Obviously, I'm super hyped they did not, because this is actually an item that I really, really wanted. And I'm gonna open this up right now so you guys can see this, and we can do the whole unboxing thing together. We can see it. Now, I do actually have. I brought it right here. I do actually have the first version of this. This one's still in the plastic though, because I'm a savage. I never opened it. I've had this for a while. I think I bought this back in Florida. I don't know. I've had this for a really long time. But now I got this set. I got both issues right here. So that's why this was a mandatory cop and I had to get this. So it's sick. It feels like this is a sticker on here. And then you drop it out like this. Oh, okay. This is sick. Where's my sticker? Here's the back of it. I hope my address is just chilling. I'm gonna move this. But you guys know I'm so hype on this sticker. But here's the poster. This thing's actually pretty sick. Definitely got to get a frame for this thing. And yeah, here it is. Just a bunch of people. I'm not even gonna act like I know probably any of these people. I know they're on the Supreme skate team though. I'm not that stupid, but yeah, here's the poster. Pretty sick. Oh, is that something on the other side? No, not really, because it's all white with that. But yeah, it comes with the poster, so that's sick. But where's the sticker? Because you guys know I probably just bought this whole book just strictly for the sticker. And here it is. This sticker is so sick. It's crazy because honestly, this looks like a custom sticker to me. Like, I couldn't really see Supreme making this. This looks like something you would see on eBay. But regardless, this is so sick. here it is. I will hopefully show some close-ups too so you guys can see it. It does have this thing on the back, and I'm not even gonna front like I know what that is. Maybe that's like the artist's logo, I don't know. But yeah, that is the sticker. This thing is sick. This book is crazy heavy. But oh, I just opened up to these boards. This is on my like grail list. They're not even that much money, but these are on my grail list. I want these boards. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna look this whole book over. Like I just opened up to the newspaper. Like guys, this book is so sick. Definitely a sleeper item, because I don't even think it sold out right away, but it is sold out now. But yeah, guys, I'm so hyped on this book. It was like $50 some, but honestly, it's kind of worth it. But yeah, I'm gonna put this back in here because I definitely got to find a way to display this, and I don't want to mess it up, so I'm just set it to the side. I do want to look at that whole book, and you know, I probably got to open this one too, so I can actually see. I can see this one and that one. I can get everything. So yeah, that's enough about the book because this video is probably insanely long. I'm trying to move this along. Now this is something I got off of a restock. Drops by Jay did say this was restocking a couple weeks ago, but then it ended up being a in-store only restock, and it looks like they about changed their mind, and then like a week or two later it actually hit the website. Not much of a good item. I think it's still in stock, but this is a personal item. Oh, I did get some stickers. Looks like I got a Dead Prize sticker, which I didn't even know these existed. And then I did get a box logo right here. And this is just a everyday item. Oh no, I ordered a large. They sent me a medium. They always do this. If you actually see some of the older videos, Supreme tends to send me the wrong stuff a lot. Yeah, but they sent me a medium. Actually, I could have ordered a medium, but I should have got a large. That could have been my fault, could have been Supreme's fault. But yeah, these are just the standard black shirts. I kind of use it for like undershirts. I needed to re-up, didn't want to just get this. Figured I would justify the shipping cost and get something else. But the main thing that I ordered that I wanted was, make sure there's no sticker, is this, I think it's a thermos or a water bottle or something. I don't know what they call it. It's just a bottle. This thing's actually huge in person. I remember when I first seen this, I did not know it was that big. I was expecting to maybe be like this big or something. But yeah, this thing's huge. It was like 60 bucks. Honestly, I don't even think that's a bad price because this is like a crazy bottle. This is not just like a regular bottle. This is like some metal material. I don't know my materials very well. But yeah, this will keep your things cold, keep your things warm. Yeah, it's a sick item. I was wanting it. I almost bought it at this pop-up that we went to for $60. Wait, no, this isn't $60, I think. I think this was like $48, plus shipping is about $60. But anyways, I could have bought this for $60 at the pop-up and it passed, and I was like a little mad about it. A few weeks later, it paid the wait because I ended up getting it for retail. So that is everything that I got in this Supreme unboxing. It is a combination of 2 different weeks. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and like I said, to recap from the beginning, I do really plan on pushing this channel and actually uploading on both Instagram, well actually not both, on all platforms. Instagram, YouTube, my website. I don't use Twitter, Facebook. I guess I could start posting on it if you follow me on there, because I do want to launch that Facebook group. Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I do want to start uploading. I do want to start giving you guys a bunch of content. Like I really want to do it this time. Hopefully no lying, and hopefully this energy will stay on me so I can provide you guys with this content. But if you do want to see things like that, more content from me, make sure you stick around and you hit that subscribe button, you hit the notification bell if you like this video, and who knows, maybe even go check out my other videos, because I got Palace, Supreme, FTP, Adidas, Nike, not really Nike, but maybe some Nike. I got everything on the channel. Make sure you check it out. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for sticking with me. This is now going to be season 2 of the Chandler Sutton channel. I hope to see you guys along for the ride. Thank you so much for watching.